आपसे सवाल है कि जो
Last question we are taking.
No,
ये
I have a question. I have a question. I have a
बॉलीवुड में
question
जिस
for
तरह
Mr.
One sec,
से
Vijayendra
guys, one
Prasad.
sec. Could you repeat your question, please?
बॉलीवुड में भी आप एक झांसी की रानी मानी जाती हैं। हर समय आपने जो भी मुद्दे रहे हैं खुल के उस पर स्टैंड लिया है। आपकी हम पूरी जर्नी देखते आए हैं और हम इस चीज़ को बहुत अप्रिशिएट भी करते हैं। आप काफ़ी हमारे लिए भी एडमायरेबल हैं। तो आप अपनी पूरी जर्नी को और इस बात से कितना आप खुद इत्तेफाक रखती है कि जो भी हर्डल्स आए हैं आपने हमेशा उसका सामने किया है?
मैं बहुत ही फॉर्चुनेट हूँ अगर आपने मुझे झांसी की रानी से कंपेयर किया है। मैं बस ये सोचती हूँ कि शायद मेरे जो संघर्ष, एक्चुअली मेरे मम्मी पापा आज यहाँ पे हैं। मैं हमेशा सोचती थी कि मम्मी पापा ने मुझे पैदा क्यों किया है लेकिन आज मुझे लग रहा है कि नहीं, कुछ मतलब रहा है मेरे पैदा होने का। सो आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू फाइंड लाइक अदर देन रेगुलर लाइफ प्रोसेस एक्टिविटीज़, ईटिंग, स्लीपिंग, रिप्रोड्यूसिंग, आई यूज्ड टू थिंक कि मुझे क्यों पैदा किया मेरे माँ बाप ने। तो आज मैं अपने माँ बाप का बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ कि कि आप लोगों ने मुझे जन्म दिया, क्योंकि मुझे अब लग रहा है कि मेरी ज़िंदगी का कुछ मायने हैं।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कंगना जी
Kangana,
once again. Sorry,
Kangana,
before we
just
go ahead with your question, could we please hear from the music directors of this film, Shankar Ehsaan Loy? पहले तो जोरदार तालियां उनके लिए, because I'm a huge fan, as is Hindustan. So a couple of words about the soundtrack,
actually,
please.
I can talk about the music, but that we'll talk about later. First, thank you to all the guiding lights, Kangana, Krish, Kamal Jain, and Prasun Joshi, for putting us in the right direction for composing this music. We were kind of like a little flustered when we heard that the director, Krish, couldn't complete the film. But then I must say this as a personal feeling. When we went for the first meeting with Kangana, she was sitting there and she was briefing the graphics people, she was briefing the entire team. And that's when I saw that here's a woman who's totally in control, just like the queen herself. And that gave us such a warm feeling that this is going to be a lot of fun, composing the music, the further composing of the music for this film. And it's completely apparent when you see it on screen. I think we're very, very proud of it. This is one of those albums where we listen to it and we say we're really happy with every song on this album. So thank you very much.
And before we hand over the mic, of course, Jishu, आपसे हम ज़रूर सुनना चाहेंगे. For all your fans, you have to talk about your experience of Manikarnika.
I don't know what to say. I'm just too proud to be a part of this film, and thanks to Kamal Jain, thanks to Kangana, and I had great shooting experiences while I was shooting for this film. Traveled for 48, 49 hours and come to the set, taking 3 flights, coming to the set. But I enjoyed every bit of it. And thank you again, Kangana. Thank you so much for trust.
Italian accent or in Raja's clothes, English accent and Italian accent, and always making a parody of our film, always doing that. So he
Okay,
was the naughtiest of the bunch.
And she was the partner in crime also.
No,
Yeah.
I was directing, no.
But thank you so much, Kangana, for trusting me, and thank you, Kamalji, for trusting me, and thank you, Z Studio, for giving me this opportunity to be a part of this history. That's all. Thank you.
I have a question for Mr. Vijayendra Prasad.
And that'll be our last question for today, actually.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. Hi, I'm Taruna from TV9 Hyderabad. My question would be, sir, we have seen you working for Bahubali. We have seen you personally. And when you were narrating this to Kangana, can you describe her expressions and what was the input? Sir, matladandi. Yeah, please. Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yes. So my question would be, you had written Bahubali so well and now we are seeing this. So when you were narrating the story to Kangana, what was her expression? She said she was clapping. And what was the feeling and how could you tell her, yes, you are the Jhansi Ki Rani?
I can narrate my experience when I first narrated the story to her. Actually, I saw my daughter there because my daughter's name is Manikarnika. Jhansi Lakshmibai, her name is Manikarnika also to start with. She was literally, I was a little apprehensive because people said she's so, I'm sorry to so adamant, she is very quick to anger and all those things. But okay. But still, when I started narrating, she was literally jumping like a small girl, smaller kid, with the excitement. She was, I couldn't believe my eyes. She said, wow, wow, wow. She was clapping, she's clapping, she's clapping. She's clapping all the way, laughing, clapping, laughing, clapping. Thank God, I said to myself. That was my experience, my first experience with her.
Thank you. Kangana, what you have to say?
Yeah, when Sir came and I was literally jumping and doing CT and all of that because he writes clap moments and I'm a aspirational writer. So I told Sir that I also want to learn writing. So Sir told me writing is simple. 9 clap moment before interval, 9 clap moment after interval.
Wow.
so, so he was narrating clap moment after clap moment and I was jumping, like he said, like a little girl. And I'm so fortunate to be working with Vijender sir and Prasoon sir, both of them on this film. And as a director, I've co-directed with Chris. As for me to have this team as this first-timer director, I feel like I'm the luckiest person. And however things turn out to be, I'm very fortunate and grateful for being here today. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
so